Well, he must be waiting for something.
Probably another train on the same track in Des Moines.
Maybe. Wonder how long he's been there. Well, you want me to take a picture?
Yeah, we want to see how fast they're going too. Oh, Michael.
I don't have mine.
My photos or my camera.
Norfolk Southern. Now wait until he moves.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that
Good, good.
okay. And see how long he's gonna take to move again.
You can just barely hear the motor running on him.
And also, when the train stops, does the locomotive run forever while it stopped?
Don't even tell you 0?
No. Told you.
Well, why can't we go up that way and just not turn on the... We could go up that way and just look that way toward the train track.
Well, I suppose. We don't really want to miss him starting up, though.
So what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Just sit here?
To catch up to the engineer.
Oh. Did you hear that? It idled up for a second.
What is it?
The motor.
What does idled up mean?
It went.
Was it gonna explode?
No.
What's gonna go on with that?
It'll just sit there like that until they're ready to go, and then they'll idle up, and it'll start smoking a little, and then it'll start moving.
Okay, does that mean it moved a little bit?
No.
Yeah.
I think on farm equipment, we should let the train sit there on farm equipment. I think this train is gonna sit here for like 24 hours.
Well, I hope not.
No, it won't sit here that long.
Oh, I heard it like something. But how come engines in the middle? How come engines run in the middle for? And how come you can hear the motor running on that engine for, like the big engines?
Because it has to run to help pull and push at the same time.
Yeah.
And remember we talked about all those wires that connected together so that when the engine way up there at the front goes, this one will go at the same time.
Yeah. And also, how come with the hooker, how come when the train moves, how come the hooker moves a little bit further that way?
Oh, the connection?
The connection.
Because they've got play in them like this, and when they're just sitting, it's like this, and when they start moving, it goes like that.
Which freight car does there need to be on the train track? So that means when the train moves, the track won't bump up and down or insane.
Well, it always does that because they're so heavy.
Norfolk Southern. You do like how this train is sitting here. Also, if it starts moving, then I'll see the speed limit of how fast it's moving. Now look at that, the end is gonna be clear down here. I think this has like 100 and cars. That's what actually looks like from the RX to the engine. So I think the engine is parked at that grain elevator where you send the train to Fellsburg.
To Fellsburg, huh? That's a TTX. What do they call those cars without the shipping containers on them?
They call them well cars without
Well
shipping
cars.
containers. And then if they have shipping containers on them, then they're called shipping container cars. And also, all the engines at the beginning, they're all 3 engines at the beginning run, and then this one here runs like all of them on the train that they have.
Yep, they all have engines and they all run.
I think there's like 4 engines on this train because I think there's 3 engines at the beginning. That's why.
You want to stay here or you want to go up the road to see if we can see the engines? It's up to you.
Let's go ahead and see that. To see if
We might miss him start to move, but
we're gonna see.
Well, let's hope not. Stacy.
give us something to do while we're waiting, I guess.
Oh wait, it says Max.
Where?
Oh wait, I'm gonna ship it here.
Max. Down this road, we'll have to look that way and see if we can see it.
I was correct, there was a train here, and there's a shipping here train. Landon woke it up while we were at the horse arena.
Yeah. That's when we just barely saw the shipping containers above the trees.
So it's when we're at the horse area. That's the area where you can start to see a train. I know why it's sitting there. That's probably because there's another train on the same track at the point.
Looks like the engines are clear up there on the other side of the elevator.
Farmers are out working.
Did we swap the memory card on the camera?
No, we haven't done that yet. Because we just saw the train and dropped everything and came over here. Didn't know how long he was going to be here.
I think he's gonna sit here for like almost.
Too bad we don't have one of those drones like Red got.
Oh, you can still see that.
Yeah, but I don't see the engines yet.
The downbound stair.
Yeah.
What?
You
Just
all
got
of a
scared
sudden.
because you went like that.
Oh, and also you can see, let's see what kind of see the engine because cars are
He's probably sitting right behind so we can't see him. If it's not too busy, we'll cross over the highway. We'll go that way and then we'll turn around and maybe we can see him.
Bless you.
There's all clear down there. That train probably has like 150 shipping containers. That's what this train is with.
Well, you keep looking and see if you can tell how many engines it has.
No, you're right. It's behind the grain bins.
Of course it is.
Yep.
Well,
So we'll drive up that way and we'll turn around in the grain bins.
look at all the traffic. I'm not going to do that. I'll go across and then we'll look back and see what we can see.
Look, we're not going to be able to see anything even from there.
Is it because of too busy traffic? Is that why we don't turn on this road?
Yeah, look at all the cars. I was thinking about going up to that
Oh,
white
okay.
barn and then maybe we could see the engines. But
Let's go
We
try.
can try if we can even get across. Come on, people.
How long is it going to take until we can get back to home because we're watching a train?
It doesn't matter. It's Sunday. It's our day off. We can be gone as long as we want to. No, we're not going to be able to see it.
not gonna.
Grain bins are in the way.
Yeah, not gonna be able to see
Okay,
it.
let's turn around.
Nobody believe Grandma.
You park just in the right area where you're not gonna be able to see him. He's hiding.
Oh, it's too bad there's so many cars.
Well, it's too bad he didn't stop down there just a little bit farther.
See him in between the grain bar bins there. I mean,
Too
Still
many
not-
buildings.
Oh, and that car has bicycles on the back.
yes, it does. They're going to the trail.
I don't like how there's so many cars.
Yeah, I don't either.
Told you it was a busy highway.
Okay. Oh,
Bless you.
man, you sneezed it twice. Holy crap. Oh, wait. No.
Well, I gotta make sure because there's so many cars, buddy.
Okay.
Oh, I can see one engine just a little bit through there.
Yep, I can. So, probably it has like 2 engines at the beginning and then, Norfolk Southern engine in the middle, so probably 3.
So weird, it looks like where it's moving, but then you look back and it's not.
Yeah.
But when you look clear down that way to where the Norfolk Southern is, it looks like it's moving like 10 miles per hour.
I know.
I was thinking it's moving while we're driving. You're seeing.
It's not, though.
There's 3 locomotives on this train that we have.
Well, what do you want to do? You want to go back down and wait a little bit and see if he moves, or you just want to go to the trail camera?
I don't want to yet, but we're just gonna see what the Norfolk Southern engine actually looks like.
So go back down there.
So back down there. Also, we're on to see how rusty that engine
It's
is.
pretty rusty.
But you don't like how this train is sitting here. uppercase. And there you go. That's what that's called. I see that. There's the Norfolk Southern locomotive. And now let's see how rusty that locomotive is.
Pretty rusty.
What are we doing right now? Because we turned it this way. Also, like when Timmy said, you can barely hear the motor on the engine's clear at the beginning.
No, it's that one. Hear it rumbling?
Yep, you do. But how come locomotives rumble like on farm equipment with the
Because
realistic?
they got really big motors inside of them. They gotta have big ones to pull all that weight.
Also, if a train had over 200 cars going through Elkhart, Iowa, then the train has to have 5 engines.
At least 4.
Now see this train. What is EMHU? And what is WTP? Top lift only.
Yeah, I don't know what the WTP is.
And then what's TTX?
Just a brand.
So you can see the train engine is just sitting there.
Yeah, just sitting there.
But if you look that way, if it starts moving, it will steam. That's how many engines shipping trains are supposed to have if they added 150 cars and they need 3 engines to pull it all.
Probably. I don't think this guy's got 150.
I
I
say
think
this
he's got maybe 100.
probably just
But they're probably heavy.
Also, our auto racks for those train cars there that are called auto racks. What is inside of them?
Cars. Yeah.
And also, there are trains on the parts of the train. Is there any people inside the Norfolk Southern locomotive?
No, just way up there.
Okay.
Nobody back here.
And also, I did saw that. If you're in the house watching this train, then this will take forever for the train to actually move. We're going to be sitting here until 3:30, then we're going to be moving to the trail cam. And then change that, then we can finally get back to home.
Okay, sounds like a plan. Who knows, you could be sitting here for another hour.
Yeah.
There's
Well, at least we got it filmed.
Oh,
Yeah, I heard something too.
Oh, I heard that again.
It sounded like the compressor and then it idled up for a second.
How come this idles up for? Why does a motor?
Well, it idles up if they're gonna move, but he's not moving.
For some reason, this is idling up while the train is sitting here.
Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
I heard it again.
Yeah, it's the compressor inside.
You saw I heard my nose, but...
Oh, he's gonna go.
Oh,
Hear him?
You do? Okay. He's gonna go, I think.
Idled up a little. There he goes.
Do I see him moving? Oh, yep.
There he goes.
I was right. He was moving at 3:30.
Right on the, yeah.
There he goes. Let's go ahead and see how fast he's going. We're going to use the radar gun. Oh, wait, get over.
Oh, you want to go?
Oh, you don't want to film it this way?
You don't want to because you don't like it that way. Okay. Alright, now we gotta go ahead and get over here. What is E here? E. What does E?
Listen.
What is that?
Hear him?
You do.
I see how fast he's going. Back up a little.
There he goes finally. How fast is he going, it says?
Not even registering yet.
It's miles. There he goes finally.
He must be going below 1 mile an hour because it's not registering.
Now listen to him better. Okay. That sounds similar to the
12
train.
miles an hour. Or no, 1 point. Is that 1.2 or 14?
Oh, that's 14.
I thought that said point. 11. Oh, between 11 and 14. 11, 12, and 12 miles an hour, that's what it says.
There
What
it keeps up.
blinks like that. CSX.
CSX. It says intermodal on the side of that.
15 now. He's speeding up.
Okay. Oh, now he's going 15.
Yeah, still 15. Almost 16. Yep, now he's doing 16.
Yeah. He's almost up to 18 already, like the trains on farm equipment.
17. Slowly getting there.
17 is FS17.
You can hear him too. Sound of
He's getting louder.
18 now.
It's like an FS19 on the map named Missouri River Bottoms. There's a train making this noise of the Union Pacific.
Oh yeah. Still 18.
The shipping chance get lower. It's doing 18 finally.
19 now.
I don't even
20.
see the end. Oh, there now it's doing, 20.
Yeah, 20.
You do like how this train started moving.
A little slow.
Yeah.
21.
It's only 3:35 now. Oh, there's the end!
Yeah, 21. 22.
Oh, we got a car coming behind us.
23.
Okay.
We're in their way.